Many a time I feel that people of present generation do not have that feeling. What is that feeling I cannot express in words? Do not have that feeling which we have earned in our life, we have shared in our life, we have experienced in our life. Because majority of us are self-made people. Majority of us, me is a self-made person. I am born from a village. I am born in a village, a small village of Odisha, and has come to this stage. And I am a professor of management for last 30 years. It was never visualized by any member of my family, in anybody in the 60 to 70 villages of my area. And coming from a village to become a professor and to become a vice chancellor 3 times, it was something unimaginable. But life which I have led, life which I have seen, the life which I have passed through, it is something if I narrate, even sometimes my children are unable to believe it. Even many of you people cannot believe it, that life which we have lived in 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000, 2010, 2020 are becoming different, becoming unbelievable. Look at any part of life. Forget about work life. Think about social life, cultural life, family life. It is different. It is unbelievable. Children do not want to live with their parents. Parents do not want to live with their children. And children getting educated, once they get an opportunity, there are many telefilms, many audios, videos, which are now available continually. Whenever we see those videos, there is tears in our eyes. We are emotionally broken. बच्चा पढ़ाई किया, विदेश चला गया, he does not want to come back. Father is in deathbed, mother is in deathbed, and the child says, I am going to get a green card. So, sorry Papa, sorry Mama, I cannot attend the difficulties, your problem which you are facing today. And even living under same roof, wife says, I cannot live with her parents. Son says, I cannot live with my parents. Yesterday when I was just watching a movie, same was the case with Anupam Kher and Sharmila Thakur and all these things. We cannot live with you. Because now children say that we want our parents because they have pension. Nowadays the pension scheme is over. Children do not want to live with parents, like what we are going to get from our parents. All of you are very good people. You are from a very good society. Assam is a different society. But unfortunately, in my 2.5 years of stay in Assam, because all of you must be knowing that there is no much cultural difference between Assam and Odisha. There is at least 5 to 10% difference. Otherwise, 90% similarity is existing in cultural, social life of Odia people and Assamese people. Even our language is almost same. Only the way we speak is different, otherwise almost it is same. But whenever it comes to the living, things are changing in Odisha, things are changing in Assam, things are changing in other states, but the way it is changing in northern states, northern part of the country, it is relatively slow, but it is not that slow as we visualize. Because today many the frontliners must accept my observation that nowadays marriage as a system, marriage as a social system is becoming a failure. Now Separation is just like changing clothes among the newly married couple. People don't mind to change wife, change husband. And after that, what is life? Actually, जीवन क्या है? ये जीवन क्या है उसका definition बहुत difficult to define what is life. Many people have said many things about life, but we know what life is. You know what life. Every individual understands what life is. But what life is in the real sense, it only people realize when difficulties comes in life. Because somebody has said, if you have to understand what is life, you visit hospitals. If you want to know what is life, you go to Samsan Ghat, burial ground, see what is life. So the topic on which I want to speak, as a student of management, as a teacher of management, sometimes we go to different business organizations to speak on this work-life balance. Because what is happening today? People are so bitchy about themselves, that they forget that what is happening around them. Particularly after the competition, global competition, it was not that much felt before 1990. But after 1990, this feeling is now every moment we feel that how the life is changing. We have now everything, but we have nothing in life. Even your wife is not your wife or your husband is not your husband, because जो आपका पास बैठता है बच्चा लेकिन वो मोबाइल देखता है. आपका पास आपका बीवी बैठता है वो मोबाइल देखती रहती है, नहीं तो टीवी देखती रहती है, नहीं तो और कोई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स गैजेट में बिजी है. आप किसका साथ बात करना चाहते हैं? Nobody is there to talk to you. Nobody is there to listen you. Husband comes from office, वो अपना लैपटॉप में बैठ जाता है because he has many unfinished agenda which he has to finish. Then as a result, what happens? We are continuously doing certain things. As a result, we are gradually become alone. We become lonely in life because of our habit which we are developing, because of the pressure which we are facing in the workplace. So as a result, what is happening today in the society, that many people, now the demand for psychiatrist is increasing day by day. Demand for psychiatrist is increasing so much that this has become a most demanded profession in the society, and this is more in urban cities. In metropolis, this is more. Every other person has some psychological problem. They have to consult psychiatrist. And this is not in India. This is all over the world. This problem is more among the women than men. Because if they are working women, they have the problem. If they are not working women, they have also problem. Because इसका कारण क्या है? किसका पास किसके लिए समय नहीं है? हर आदमी अपना काम में बिजी है. Sometimes busy without business. As a result, there is physiological problem, there is psychological problem, there is social problem, there is cultural problem. You just look at it. कि मेरे घर में शादी हो रहे हैं. It is required that the relatives should come. कौन जाता है यार? फिर तुम्हारा घर में जब शादी होगा, बारात में 5 लोग होंगे. हम बता रहे हैं with my real experience, आज जब किसका डेथ होता है, इवन 4 लोग साथ नहीं मिलते आपको कंधा देने के लिए. This has happened in this country. हम कह रहे हैं I am from a village. My village and Assam village, there is no difference. हम कभी-कभी, because being from Open University, I have visited not less than 500 villages of Assam in the last 2.5 years. I have visited all districts of Assam. I have visited around 100 colleges of Assam. This is what I love to do it. Because I always want to live with villages, live in villages. लोग ये भी कहते हैं it is happening. Now कहीं कुछ डेथ होता है तो 4 लोग इकट्ठा करना मुश्किल हो जाता है. कहीं पहले घर जब बनता था when there used to be construction of a house, village people used to come. Everybody was extending his support hand. So घर बन जाता था, कोई मजदूरी देना नहीं पड़ता. Forget about it. जब मैरिज होता था गाँव में, गाँव का लोग सब काम करते थे. सब्जी काटने से लेके, मछली पकड़ने से लेके, बाजार करने के लिए लेके सब कुछ होता था, गाँव का लोग करते थे. So you used to live with people. And whenever you have sickness, health problem or any crisis, मैं extreme example बताता हूँ. जब हमारे गांव में एक somebody committed suicide, that time I was doing PG and I had come to my village. गांव में पता नहीं चला, सब लोग इकट्ठा हो गए, उसका डेड बॉडी को जला दिए. Everybody was united to see that nothing should go out. इतना unity in diversity was prevailing in village. Today शादी हो रहे हैं, सब्जी काटने के लिए आपको मजदूर चाहिए. कोई छोटा सा फंक्शन हो रहा है, you should hire people. Why I give this example? Why I give this example? Because whenever you live with people, live together, you have a different feeling. And whenever you live separately, you have a different feeling and you will experience it bitter. You will experience the worst whenever you grow older. हम लोगों का क्या होता था, जब बचपन में हम लोग पिताजी से ज्यादा बात नहीं कर पाते थे, माँ को सब कुछ बोलते थे. एक समय आता था, because I being a human behavior student, I used to observe. पिताजी चाहते हम लोगों से बात करने के लिए, लेकिन वो बोल नहीं पाते. बिना पहले बात करने का आदत नहीं है. So his life was becoming lonely. Loneliness was developing in father. That problem was never with mother. And इसी situation में when mother dies, father becomes mad. किससे बात करेगा? Why? Because life you cannot live alone. You can say I am working, my computer, me, my salary is everything. It is not. Life means many things to many people. In reality, life is not living alone. Life is to live with everybody. Life is to share with everybody. Life is to request caring everybody. Life is to reciprocate and to get reciprocation and reciprocate others. But gradually, what has happened? What do we see today? That people are becoming so selfish. जब तक नौकरी नहीं था, the people were different. जब नौकरी हो गया, life become different. जब तक शादी नहीं हुआ था, life was different. जब तक शादी हो गया, life become different. But problem क्या है? What is that different life? जब whenever you were with others, whenever you were with others, with your parents, with your brothers, with your sisters, with your relatives, with your friends, with your villagers, you were expressive. You were able to express whatever good feeling comes to you, whatever bad feeling comes to you. But whenever gradually you become confined to a cell, become alone. You confine yourself so much in a cell that you are unable to express yourself. So anxiety develops, stress develops, physical problems develops, psychological problem develops. Then ultimately you only interact with the doctors. Management में हम लोग कुछ training करते हैं. That training is for senior most executives of the organization, general managers, vice president. We call it sensitivity training. You know, the moment you listen about the term sensitivity training, ये क्या है रे भाई? It is sensitivity training because with the passage of time, people become insensitive to everybody. Because आप देखोगे, you know, जितना बड़ा आदमी होता है, बड़ा पद होता है, वो कुछ बोलता नहीं, ना, yes, no, so yes, no, ऑफिस से घर भी चला जाता है, तो घर चला जाने के बाद बच्चे जब बात करते हैं, yes, no करने के बाद बच्चे फिर आपसे दूर हो जाते हैं. Position is very temporary. I am a vice chancellor. After 2.5 years, I will be only RP Das, not vice chancellor. मैं अभी हूँ ना करूँगा ना, कल जब गुवाहाटी आऊँगा मेरे को हूँ ना में लोग जवाब देंगे. So I should understand that what I have to reciprocate, what I have to speak, what I should have. मैं जो कह रहा हूँ, मैं सत्य घटना का ऊपर आधारित बात कर रहा हूँ. Nobody should take it otherwise. This is a fact.